There is a new product, a new respirator that is so simple to use that nearly anyone can use it anywhere. It is affordable, user-friendly and yet sophisticated enough to meet the highest safety class amongst all respirator protection. The Tiki respirator is easily mounted and switched on in less than 20 seconds, ready to take on the harshest environments. Communication is simple, both verbally and visibly, with no need for external speakers and microphones. With the built-in light, there is no need to carry a torch or other light source. The Tiki mask has an excellent field of view in all directions, making it easy to work above you and below. Due to the self-adjusting positive pressure inside the mask, strenuous work is simple. The fan increases in speed and makes it simple for the user to breathe. The Tiki respirator is suitable for all users who need to protect themselves from harmful particles, even airborne viruses, and can be mounted in seconds should there be an emergency or there be suspicions of something harmful in the air. Once the equipment has been used, it is a simple matter of removing the electric fan unit and disposing of the mask and filter. This saves precious time and money when there is no need to sterilize the equipment. A mask can easily be assembled in less than 10 seconds and doesn't consume time during work or in an emergency. The blower unit constantly monitors the pressure inside the mask to make sure it stays positive. Should the mask sense that there is a negative pressure, it will sound an alarm after 3 seconds. A wide variety of additional filters are under development to handle most of the common airborne particles, and once the mask is used in a dangerous environment or damaged, it is a simple 20-second process to put the fan in a new mask. The mask can be quickly and simply mounted on other people who require help in emergency zones, from building sites to volcano eruptions. The large visibility and simplicity to breathe reduces the onset of claustrophobia and helps the victim to relax, knowing that they are now breathing safe, filtered air. The Tiki mask has been developed for nearly all environments, ranging from building sites to field rescues in the Mediterranean Sea. The Tiki respirator will protect.